Morning guys, Mark here, Myrtle Beach Generators. Today we're doing a 12 kW Briggs Stratton unit on this home here in Sunset Landings here in Longs. This home builder is actually really great because they are ones that most of their major appliances are all natural gas, and they use a variable speed AC condenser which does not draw a lot of amperage, so we're able to put in a much smaller generator. So let's get to it. This is a SAK-60. This is made by PSP products. So what this is a load shed module. Actually, it's a little bit more advanced than that. You can do multiple different settings with this. Generator lockout, load shed, a couple other settings. So if you've had a problem with Generac's smart management module, as most people that have had a Generac with those installed, you already know what I'm talking about. This is the alternative that we used, and we've used these now for about maybe 4 years, 3 to 4 years, and I don't think I've ever had to actually replace one under warranty. This allows us to load shed out larger loads. So for example, if the AC is running and then the pool tries to come on and the generator just doesn't have enough power for both, this will turn off whatever it's connected to and wait 2.5 minutes or whatever time frame you set it to until it can actually turn on with the appropriate amount of voltage from your generator. Great thing to have, allows you to get a smaller generator and have a pretty large range of appliances that you can manage with one of these.